Alright, first thing I have to do is to take these metal brackets off all the way around, because this pallet was used to house smart TVs, so they have these metal brackets on them. So step one is to unscrew the brackets. Alright, after removing the hardware, I'm going to pop up the boards so that we can move them all to one end and screw them down. I have a pallet pry bar. If you don't have a pallet pry bar, you can just use a crowbar. Or if you're using fresh wood, you don't even have to do this. Just buy 2x4s and 1x4s. But for me, it's pretty easy. I'm doing this with one hand while holding the phone with the other hand. It's not hard to do with a pry bar. And then I'm going to take the wood and knock the nails out. Show you real quick how I knock the nails out. It's super easy. I just give them a quick tap from the pointy end, and that'll cause the back end to raise up enough to just flip it over, catch it with the hammer claw, pull it out. Really easy. Alright, just to show you clearly what I'm doing, I'm popping the boards off, taking the nails out, and then as I do, I put them flush. Actually, I'm flipping them over. You see how those are cleaner? Alright, because I'm working with pallets and everything is already pre-cut, if you come to something that's not right, just cut it. So the table's going to end right here for me, and so I have a little bit extra on the 2x4s. So I've marked them, and I'm going to go ahead and cut those off. Alright, the next thing we want to do is start dressing up these sides, closing it in. And we're going to do that by just laying some more of these pallet boards directly down the side. You see I put one here. I got to use the clamps because I'm working by myself, but we just add 2 boards down on each side, and it'll give it this nice thick look. And it'll also hide all of the framework underneath. Alright, next just to add the legs. Alright, cutting the legs out of the treated 4x4, doing it 30 inches, 2.5 feet for the regular sit-down table. Alright, so there's our pallet wood farmhouse table. Now we're going to sand it, burn it, and seal it because it will be an outside table. The burn process definitely helps to hide any imperfections in the wood, such as old holes from the pallet nails and so forth, but definitely gives it character. Turned out really well for a $9 table, I guess. About $9. Alright, now I'm going to burn the wood. Firing wood is an ancient Chinese technique for preserving wood. It helps to protect, seal, and stain all in one quick, simple, easy mode. But the best thing about it is that it really makes cheap, inexpensive wood look very ornate, gives it a lot of character, brings out the grain, and makes it look like a much more expensive piece of wood. So this is a great technique, and I like this a lot for using on pallet wood projects because it also hides any imperfections. Of course, with the dark and the white contrast, if there's any little like holes or nail holes or nicks in the wood, this helps to hide it, and it also helps to burn off any frays or anything like that. So you don't really even need to sand it. Gives it a little bit more of a smoother finish even without sanding.